Happy birthday, President Trump. It's Tom Numbers here. Just wanted to wish you a very happy 78th birthday, sir. 78 in the numbers. A is 1, B is 2, C is 3. You're the master of gematria. I'm your apprentice just behind you, but I'm grateful for your codes. 78 in numbers is Kennedy. It's Genesis. It's biblical times. Simple gematria is 148. Scriptures 148. Donald J. Trump 148. The Art of the Deal 148. Emmett Brown from Back to the Future 148. Time Traveler 148. And your birthday, which is the 14th of June, actually comes to the full title of this, Trump, The Art of the Deal. So I thought that was an interesting one. June 14th comes to 182, the flux capacitor. But Trump, The Art of the Deal, 236. The 14th of June, 236. And you said that November 5th this year will be the biggest day in America's history. In brackets, that's also the biggest day in the history of the world. And I'm grateful for that knowledge. I'm grateful for the plan that you've set in place with your team here on the ground, off-world, future, past, present. It's great. I'm grateful to be a part of it, sir. So, Top Trumps is 158. Remember is 158. Remember, the 5th of November is 355 in numbers. And your wonderful book, Trump, The Art of the Deal, your final chapter, how the deals are made, or how the deals came out, I should say, the week that was, how the deals came out. Interesting enough, you've chosen page 355. 355 comes to remember, the 5th of November. It comes to Westminster, Parliament Square, 355. Something's coming. I have an inkling into what it is, sir, and I can't wait to see the show. So thank you. God bless. Much love. Tom Numbers. Thank you, President Trump. Bye.
Hi, it's Roseanne, BARR, saying happy birthday, Mr. President. We love you. I hope you have a good one.
Happy birthday, Donald J. Trump. This is Jack Edward Aitken KIDD in the Highlands of Scotland, not far from your mother's home at Lewis. We're all behind you. You've done an incredible job. We know you had to step back, let Biden cheat, win, and show the world the filthy corruption that politics has become. We thought it was all going to be over in 2016. We didn't know 8 years later we'd still be here watching this show play out. But it had to be this way. We understand that. So God bless you. Have a wonderful day and look forward to you returning to the UK. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Donald Trump. You speak a lot about making America great again. We need to make America godly again. Once they get closer back to God, then you'll have a very, very happy birthday.
It's that time of year again, everybody. Donald Trump's birthday. He's 78 this year. Happy birthday, Donald Trump. From all the truthers, and in particular, Carole by Janine from Canada. Love ya.
Dear President Trump, this is Anna Marins from Brazil. I wish you a happy birthday. God bless you tremendously. Thank you for everything you have been doing, and we are with you.
Thank you, Tom, for inviting Nancy and me to join in your annual celebration of the day our favorite president was born, which is also, rather fittingly, Flag Day here in America.
And thank you, Mr. President, for leading us safely through the storm. Today we celebrate you. You are a gift from God for all of America.
And the world.
We salute you, sir.
Happy birthday, Mr. President. My name is Carole Friesen, and I'm coming to you from Costa Rica, Heaven and Earth Sanctuary, home of the Lightworkers Institute. And we know who you are. You're one of our greatest leaders of Lightworkers. So just to say what your name means, Donald means world leader. John means graced by God, and Trump means to sound the clarion trumpets. So we see you and we have your back. We're with you all the way. Blessings on your birthday.
Happy birthday, Commander-in-Chief Donald J. Trump. Since posting a video last year for your birthday, I spent 5 months on the road, everything I had, to figure out what was going on, boots on the ground in the UK. It's pretty hideous. So massive hats off to you and the vast team behind you. What's being removed is, I can see why it's taking time. I get it. And always at your side. So much love from the Isle of Skye. We move forward. Let's get this job done.
Hey, President Trump, it's me, Kat, Mrs. Handy Yo. Hope you're having a beautiful birthday. And I want to thank you for the codes you've been giving me and everybody else so we can have fun with gematria and find out what's really going on. And I just want you to know I love you more than I could ever express. So thank you so much. Bye.
My name is Peter Doran, County Mayo, Ireland. Happy 78th birthday, Donald J. Trump. Or should I call you Batman? President Donald Trump, happy 78th birthday. Love, Peter Doran in Westport, County Mayo, Ireland. Love you, buddy.
Hi, this is Laura G wishing President Trump a brilliant birthday.